Kia ora and good day. Welcome to FoodSafe's course overview snapshot. At FoodSafe, we train across all food sectors. For example, pharmaceutical, the meat sector, seafood, healthcare, produce, to name a few. And this video focuses on our dairy sector training programs. In the dairy sector, we train from farm to fork. And we start with core and product skills. Core and product skills include Dairy 101, where we follow the milk drop from farm to can. It includes food safety culture, HACCP training, problem solving, and teamwork skills, including corrective action and preventative action. Some of our advanced training skills include advanced HACCP for the senior HACCP review team, governance and food safety at an executive level, and artificial intelligence and data analysis and technology skills. Some of our technical training skills include quality assurance, heat treatment and pasteurization, dryer safety, and overseas market access requirements such as halal and kosher. This training video talks about our pasteurization and heat treatment courses across all food sectors. When it comes to pasteurization and heat treatment courses, there's a basic learning pathway. If you're joining us from New Zealand, a New Zealand company or operator, your heat treatment training is based on the New Zealand government's Ministry for Primary Industries Heat Treatment Code of Practice, a derivative of the Codex Alimentarius code. Your heat treatment training includes some options such as a non-unit standard training option and a unit standard training option. All options are identical and include all the same training content. However, one ends up with a qualification that gets registered on the NZQA framework. All training results in a certificate of achievement. If you're joining us from a global company or you're a global operator and interested in our pasteurization training courses, our training is based on Food and Agricultural Organization and Codex Alimentarius guidelines and country codes where applicable, for example, Canada, FDA, Australia, etc. Pasteurization courses include some options. Option 1, a basic pasteurization course. Option 2, an advanced pasteurization course. And option 3, a customized course for a specific company or product. In terms of our basic pasteurization course, this is a one-day program, applies to all food processing operators across all products. Prerequisites: we recommend that the operator is employed in or working in a pasteurization system, such as a heat treatment, high temperature short time, and or VAT or batch or other type of pasteurization. Training includes the history and process of pasteurization, a basic introduction to food microbiology and current GMP, basic food safety management system, and hazard controls such as micro, chemical, physical, or foreign matter, allergenic, nutritional hazards, etc. It includes Codex Alimentarius and or provincial regulations or industry codes, basic pasteurization of product, including VAT or batch or other, including low temperature long time, high temperature short time, or UHT, ultra-high heat treatment, including products such as dairy, beverages, juice, beer, liquid egg processing, etc. It includes the types of pasteurization equipment, purposes, tables, including the time temperature holding times for product. It includes basics of cleaning, sanitization, and hygiene requirements, CIP, operator responsibilities and record keeping, and a basic introduction of HACCP, HACCP, and verification. Training is delivered over video conference over Zoom and includes a basic assessment and results in an achievement certificate. Our Advanced Pasteurization course is a 2-day program, applies to all food processing operators. Prerequisites, again, we recommend that the operator is employed in a working pasteurization system, for example, a high-temperature short-time and/or VAT or batch or other type of pasteurization, and there's some basic pre-course preparation work. Training includes an assumption that they attend a basic pasteurization course of ours, which is the 1-day program described earlier. The advanced program includes high-temperature short-time UHT pasteurization equipment, types, and design, including topics such as flow rate, density, viscosity, overall heat treatment coefficient, etc. It includes separators, homogenizers, the importance of equipment, and standardization of product, indicating thermometers and fail-safes, the basic high heat treatment, high temperature short time, low temperature long time or UHT, temperature regeneration, controllers, flow diversion valves, pumps, and monitoring. Large systems including flow meters, flow diagrams, cross-connection checks, and operator verification trend and graph checks, including supervisory checks. Training is delivered again over video conference, over Zoom, plus includes some self-learning with our online resources and includes an assessment and results in an achievement certificate. In terms of your due diligence, FoodSafe's quality assurance includes we train to global Codex Alimentarius standards and New Zealand government MPI standards if you're joining us from New Zealand. FoodSafe is a Category 1 registered PTE, New Zealand's highest training provider standard. Our training and company is independently evaluated by external evaluators. Your training is delivered by a qualified ISO 22000 expert. In terms of regulatory best practice and recognition, New Zealand leads the globe and the Codex committees for meat and dairy, and New Zealand's food safety systems are recognized globally by organizations such as FDA. And finally, in terms of trainees, FoodSafe's rating is highly reviewed year on year by a number of our trainees to reaffirm our commitment and our passion. We look forward to having you on our training. Thank you for listening.